Good morning students. So now we'll see question number 3. Change the following to the comparative form without changing the meaning. So we have to change the superlatives to comparatives. Jupiter is the biggest of all planets. Here the biggest means it is superlative form. The is here means it is superlative form. Now we have to change it to comparative form. Okay, so Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. So here students, we have changed biggest to bigger and we have compared it to all the planets. Okay, all other planets we have compared. So here we have compared Jupiter to all other planets. Here the Ganga is longest river. Here we have said Ganga is the longest. गंगा सबसे लंबी रिवर है. यहाँ हम कंपेयर करेंगे गंगा को अदर रिवर से. हियर द गंगा इज लॉन्गर देन any other river in India. Okay. Similarly, Prem is the cleverest boy. Here the means superlative form, so we will change Prem is cleverer than any other boy in the class. Okay, we will compare Prem to any other boy in the class. So here we will say cleverer than any other boy. So here question 4 and 5 is our homework, students. Now question 4 says change the following sentence to the positive degree without changing the meaning. Here Radha is tallest girl. Here again we have superlative form, the tallest. So we'll change it to positive. So how we'll change? No other girl is in the class is as tall as Radha. We here will write as tall as. Okay. So here also gold is the most precious, so we'll compare no other metal is as precious as gold. Okay, here we have written no. Whenever there is no, any, okay, we use first form. Like here you can see as precious, we have used precious first form. We have not used most precious like this. Okay, or more precious, we have just used precious. Here also the dog is most faithful animal. Here what you have said, no other animal is as faithful as dog. Okay, whenever there is no, we change it to first form like faithful. Okay, then Africa is the hottest continent. You will compare other continent to Africa and you'll say no other continent is as hot as Africa, like that. Here also 4th and 5th is your homework. Now question 5th says read the passage below. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun and the smallest planet. Okay, Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun. Venus is second planet from the sun. Very good. It is a small rocky planet with thick yellowish color. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the densest body. Okay, densest means it has lots of materials. Okay, body in the solar system. It is the only planet known to support life. Okay, Mars is the 4th planet and has most varied and interesting terrain. Now Jupiter is the 5th planet and the larger than any other planet. Here you can see larger. It has compared Jupiter to any other planet. You could have also said Jupiter is the largest planet, like that. Saturn is the second largest planet. Okay, then it has a beautiful ring around it. You can see the ring around it. Uranus is larger in size than Neptune. Okay, we have compared it to Neptune. So but heavier than Uranus. Okay, Neptune is smaller but heavier than Uranus. So let's write the answers. The planet that is smaller than any other planet. So which planet is smallest? So here you can see that Mercury. Answer will be Mercury. Now the densest body in the solar system is Earth. Okay, Next, the planet with the most varied and interesting terrain. So Mars is the fourth planet and has most varied and interesting terrain. So answer will be Mars. Then largest planet is of course Jupiter. Then the planet heavier than Uranus. Which planet is Uranus is larger in size than Neptune. Neptune is smaller in size but heavier than Uranus. So Neptune is heavier than Uranus. So students, see you in next video.